Why Yehovah revealed his name. Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy in Heart. Today we're diving deep into a powerful question. Why did Yehovah reveal his name to Moses? What does I am that I am actually mean? And why does it matter now more than ever? In Exodus chapter 3, verse 14, Moses meets the divine presence in a burning bush. He's told to lead Israel out of slavery, but he asks, what if they ask your name? Yehovah answers with one of the most profound statements in Scripture, Ayeh, Asher, Ayeh, usually translated as, I am that I am. This wasn't just a name. It was a revelation of divine identity. So today we're exploring why Yehovah revealed his name and what it means for your relationship with him. So let's unpack the moment. In a world full of named gods and idols, Yehovah's name stood apart. It means self-existence, eternal being. He is and always will be. This is why Yehovah revealed his name. To establish authority over Pharaoh and false gods, to fulfill his covenant with Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and to invite his people into personal relationship, not just religious duty. The name Yehovah, spelled Yod-Heh-Vav-Heh, is sacred and powerful. It shows up over 6,000 times in Hebrew scripture, yet it is often replaced with titles like Lord. But Joel 2:32 reminds us, everyone who calls on the name of Yehovah will be saved. That's why it matters. That is why Yehovah revealed his name, so we could know him, so we could call on him, so we can walk with him. The message, Yehovah's name, is not just about the past. It's still alive and active, and it points us to the eternal plan of restoration from Eden to now. So the next time you read scripture, remember his name isn't just a detail, it's an invitation. If you want to explore more about the sacred name Yehovah and how it connects to your life today, check out the full article linked below. If this video blessed you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And always remember his name is a promise, a presence, and a purpose. Until next time, stay healthy in heart. And remember to listen and obey.